So today I want to show you how to make this gorgeous crocheted succulent called a jade necklace. So I've made it out of different yarns. It's a great scrap buster for your greens and turquoises and yellows. I've got a lovely eyelash yarn. I'm not sure what brand this is, but if you search for eyelash yarn you'll find it, and it's not too bad to crochet with. So I'm going to show you how to make one of these curly dangly strands. So you'll need a 4mm hook, and then you just need to join. I'm going to show you how to make the small one, and then I'll tell you how many you need of each to make something like this. The soil, by the way, I'm going to do in a different video and show you how to do that. I've just put this in a glass, but you can put it in a real plant pot to show, to make it look like a real plant, really. So you are going to make 14 chains. I'm just going to zoom in so you've got a better view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13 and 14. And then 1 treble into the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the way we get that to go curly, so a treble, I'm working in UK terms, so that is a double crochet in American terms. So in each chain now, to the end of the row, we're going to do 4 trebles. So that is basically the pattern. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. You've got, and it will start twisting almost immediately. So then into the next chain we need to do 4 trebles. So you can crochet along with me. This is the smallest one, it won't take that long. If you do a small one as a sample, you get the idea of how easy it is. Really good for beginners. If you've just learned to do a granny square, this is the same stitch. 3 and 4. I love crocheted plants. They're so vibrant. I've got a couple in my house, a couple in my garden. They'd make great gifts actually. Can you see how it's twisting? And 4. So while I'm doing that, I just want to show you something else that I've made, which is on a different video. This, let me just zoom out. This is a string of pearls. So you can see my YouTube video for that as well. And I'll just get back to my my spiral. So we're almost halfway through. I mean, what else could you put spirals on? Kind of make a little octopus. Give it cute spirally legs. So effective. So 4 trebles to each chain, and when you get to the last chain, that's where you just fasten off as normal and you add it to your collection of swirls. So when I finish this, I'll just tell you how many of each size you need. So you've got 3 sizes. You've got a large, a medium and a small, and we're doing the small one. The small one's made up of 14 chains. I mean, wow, like wow. You could do this in a crochet cotton, that'd be lovely. So I'm nearly to the end of mine, and we'll just do the last 4. In fact, that's really tight, that one, so I'm just gonna squeeze it up and call that my twirl. So let me just run through how many you need of each. Fasten off, and then you can sew in that end. So that's a small one. Let's just zoom out, and these are the other ones. So a long one is that kind of length, and then you've got a medium and you've got a small. So a long spiral needs 34 chain, and then exactly the same process, 4 trebles into each stitch. A medium spiral needs 24 chains to start, and a small spiral that we've just done needs 14 stitches. And this is still my favourite, the eyelash, the eyelash yarn. If you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and a follow, a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.